Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Satoshi expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this is a stochastic based system for EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame. Sellers show solid results on certain pairs with very low drawdown, but I ran a fresh backtest, so let's see if this low frequency EA actually trades or just sits on the sidelines. So ensure you watch this video until the end to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's expert advice, so we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. And without wasting much of your time, let's get into the EA for today. According to the MQ5 page, which is this page, the Satoshi EA combines smart entry signals using stochastic oscillator along with other filters like the ATR and envelopes force index for high probability setups on the 1 hour time frame. It goes for just $65 and it was last updated this year, 22nd of February 2026, and it was published 4 years ago, actually on the 4th of October 2022. So the developer actually updates this expert advisor, and it has just one comment with set for the expert advisor, and it focuses on careful risk management with coefficient based profit targets, stop losses, trailing stops, and break-even rules. The EA is designed for major pairs like the EURUSD and emphasizes controlled trading. Also, backtests they show, such as the NZDUSD over 2 years. You can see this one, the NZDUSD. It looked impressive. 75% win rate with profit factor around 7.3, extremely low drawdown of about 1.5%, and steady consistent growth. It's positioned as reliable low risk H1 system thanks to its multi-indicator filtering and protective exits. This is another backtest result of BTC USD on the 2 hour time frame from 2023 to 2025 with impressive results. Also, total net profit of $2,474. This one is on NZDUSD and this is on XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame. So these are the backtest results from the developer. The features and settings that are marketed by the developer includes the stochastic parameters for the main signals. Also, we have additional filters like ATR and envelopes, fixed lot sizing, profit and stop loss coefficients. We also have trailing stop rules, break-even functionality. We have the trailing direction options and Friday exit controls. All of these allow you to fine-tune signal quality, risk per trade, and weekend risk. The developer highlights the combination of indicators and strict risk tools for safer selective trading on the 1 hour time frame. So everything is here. Just plug it on your MetaTrader 5 on EURUSD or NZDUSD or the gold or other popular Forex or index pairs, and use the hedging account. Basically just put it in a chart with a very good VPS and let it run. So I decided to test this on MetaTrader 5 on EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame from June 2025 to June 2026 using the real ticks, every ticks based on real ticks modeling on a $10,000 account, and it showed basically nothing. A tiny net loss of -$12, profit factor of 0.38 with only 9 trades the entire year, and a win rate of about 55%. And this backtest was done using the default settings for the Satoshi expert advisor. These are the settings I use, basically the settings that make sense the most sense were the fixed lot size, which you can edit. These are the most important inputs which you can actually configure to your preferences. We have the stochastic levels, the ATR, the fixed 0.01 lots. We have the 7.0 profit and stop. This is it. All of this can also be edited, and we also have trailing of the 1.5. We have the break even, which explain the ultra low activity here. Break even is 0.5, and honestly, the thing is, this is heavy filtering. There is some heavy filtering going on in this expert advisor, and it can make an EA feel safe simply by not trading much. In practice, this means it avoids big losses but also misses most market moves. There's no greed or martingale, and that is a plus, but the inactivity is the real story. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it's extremely conservative. You can see the graph. This is how it looks. It's low frequency stochastic expert advisor, best suited for very patient traders or specific pairs, traders who are experts at trading pairs like gold or EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame, and who are also comfortable with setting up this expert advisor in a way where it can take multiple trades if that's what you want. The set files are all here in the comments if you've already purchased this expert advisor, so you could best select a set file that will suit your trading style. Yeah, profits and drawdowns can differ depending on market conditions and position size, which is the lot or the risk that the trader is using. It's great if you want minimum exposure, but avoid it if you need regular trading activity, consistent returns, or active performance. Yeah, that is all for the Satoshi Expert Advisor. These are basically the settings I showed you earlier. These are all you can edit and all you can fix if you want it to work for you based on your preferences. That is all for the Satoshi. Like this video if you found this test helpful, and subscribe, turn on notifications for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.